everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a beef fajita soup. And this one came from recipes.instantpot.com. It was delicious. I mean, everybody loved it. They ate it all up. I don't think there was any left. Now, I enjoy beef, so, my mom put corn in this and some other stuff. So, all things I enjoy. This one is a winner all the way around, and it's cold right now, so soup is a great option. Give this one a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Enjoy! Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so we're making a beef fajita soup in the Instapot. This is a recipes.instapot.com recipe. It's a cold night, so it sounds good to me. Instead of using stew meat or beef stew meat, I'm using already pre-cooked John Soul's Food steak fajita meat. You need a pound of it, so that's what's in there. And then you're supposed to use 2 cans of beans, 1 black, 1 pinto. I can't have either one. They're higher in oxalates, but black-eyed peas are not. So I rinsed and drained a can of those, and then I did half a bag of this 16-ounce frozen corn as the other bean. And then I did a full cup of chopped onion because you're supposed to have, or actually, I think it's a half a cup of onion that goes in there. So frozen onion is in there as well. And then a can of Rotel, basically, so diced green chili tomatoes, but you do not drain that. And then 14 ounces of beef broth, but I didn't have beef, so I used chicken. And then we're using black pepper, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. So that is what is in there. I stirred it all together. Put the lid on, make sure it's on sealing. Then we're going to pressure cook. So manual, and we're gonna do it for 25 minutes. And then you natural release for 10, and then I'll show you what else to do. So it was 25 minutes pressure cooking, then 10 minutes natural release, then the rest quick release. And this is your finished product. It is really good, and it smells really good, and it tastes really good. So I highly recommend it. And I think you could do this one not only as a Monday meal, but also for a Taco Tuesday meal. So enjoy. Bye.